In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create an automation in Trello. So you can use automation to manage your cards. So for example, when I click mark as complete, it will be automatically moved to the completed section. So you can see that the RIA is now in the completed section. So you want to look for the automation icon, then select it. Then select rules, then select create automation. The first thing that you're going to do is add a trigger. So these are a list of triggers that you can choose from: card move, card changes, date, checklist, card content, and field. So let's say card changes. So when the card is marked as complete by me, I'm going to add this trigger. Now here is where you're going to select your action. So when the card is marked as completed by me, which action do I want to take, right? So do I want to move it, add or remove, right? Make some date changes, add a checklist, things like that, right? So I'm going to say move to the top of list, right? And then you're going to select the board. So in this case, it's the completed board that I want to move it to. And then you select add to keep this action. Then the next step basically is to save and review your rule. Now these are a bunch of rules that I have, so I can enable and disable a rule as I like. You can also add the rule to another board by selecting add to another board, select the board that you want to add it to, and then you save the changes. Then select create automation, and then you can close and test your rule that you created. So in this case, it's how to create a Trello board rule automation. Once I mark it as complete, after a few seconds or minutes, it will automatically move it to completed and put it at the top. So if you notice, it was moved and it's now sitting at the top. And the same thing happened to the rear card. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.